What's wiggling, Warenoticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shane Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Warenotice. And guys, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this bad boy right here. This is the brand spanking new Apple Smart Battery case for the iPhone XS Max. And now this bad boy is anything but cheap with a price of $129. So, without further ado, let's get to unboxing this guy right here. Warenotice on the baddest beat. Met a lot of people, but still don't know defeat. Running for the White House, but I am no athlete. Got Jordans on my feet and haters in retreat. Wait, I am the CEO. Competition robotic, call him C3PO. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this case's box. Now, as you can see on the front of the box, we see a picture of the case right here. I have with me the black version. There's also a white version. Sadly, no red. But yeah, and then right here it says iPhone XS Max Smart Battery Case. Makes sense. Slide it out just like this, and boom, there is the case. Now, let's take it out. Check it out. That was easy. Now, folks, let's see what else is in the box. Right here, we've got some paperwork, and as you can see, it shows you how to put the iPhone XS Max into the case. And then, yeah, that's all that's in the box. There's just this cutout right here that the case was resting on. So without further ado, let's put it on my iPhone XS Max. Here it is right here. So it looks like if we follow those instructions, we'll need to bend it back like this, and then slide the iPhone just like that so that the lightning connector right there goes right into the lightning port just like that. And wow, that was easy to put on. Here it is on my iPhone. So yeah, now let's talk about some first impressions of this case. First of all, it is not the prettiest case in the world. As you can see, it's got this pretty big hump right here on the back. And yeah, that's not exactly super duper attractive. Another thing, Big Daddy Shane's got some sweaty hands, so it definitely leaves some marks when you get sweat on this case. I don't know if you guys can tell. This case also makes the iPhone XS Max feel notably heavier, which is definitely annoying. But at least Apple does claim, though, that using this case with your iPhone XS Max can actually make the phone last for up to 37 hours of talking on the phone, up to 20 hours of internet use, and up to 25 hours of watching videos. And yeah, if we want to also take a closer look at the case, right here we've got two volume buttons, we've got a little cutout to get to the mute switch on the side of the phone. Over on this side we got power button. Down here we've got little speaker cutouts. Right here we've got a new lightning port, because if you remember, the iPhone XS Max's lightning port was plugged into by the case. So now let's get to a few cool things that this bad boy can do. So now first of all, right here, you can see that you can actually see the battery percentage of the case on your iPhone right in the battery widget of your notification center. So that's pretty cool. As you can see, it came out of the box with 0% battery. So let's solve that issue. You can actually charge this case not only with that lightning port included on it, but also wirelessly, just like the iPhone XS Max. I'm a huge fan of wireless charging, so I definitely like that. So right here, we've got a Tesla wireless charger, and now let's put it on, and boom, just like that. As you can see, the phone is charging, and also we can see that, guess what, the case is charging as well. Now it's at a whopping 1%. Plus, folks, another thing to note about this case is Apple actually says you can use its lightning port to listen to music with your lightning headphones. So let's try it.
I stay up too late. Got nothing in my brain. That's what people say. Hey, ooh, ooh.
And yeah, folks, as you can see, that definitely works. You can listen to music via the lightning port on this case, as you just saw there with me listening to Taylor Swift. And yeah, folks, there's not really much more to say in this unboxing video of this Apple Smart Battery case for the iPhone XS Max. My biggest first impression of this is, well, it's got a big hump on the back right there. Definitely adds much more width to the phone, much more depth to the phone. As you can see, it makes the phone really fat. And yeah, let me know down in the comments if you guys would pay $129 for this case. I do read all the comments, by the way, so yeah, I'm interested to hear that. And anyway, if you guys enjoyed this Warenotice video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one, because after all, Big Daddy Shane does love all my subscribers. So if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button, and I'll love you. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with Apple's smart battery case for the iPhone XS Max.